Hi, I'm Jess, the senior designer in Orange Interior. Project at the Marina Bay at the Seals, knowing that they have a very good view for their island area. So by bringing the Singapore skyline into the space. Our overall concept was Japandi and also wabi-sabi. One thing about their house is two huge round bins at the side of the house that facing towards their Marina Bay Sand. Some fluted design panel, which is those curved design for their island area. And also they did mention that they want to have curved element inside the house. Entering the entrance area, there will be this arch feature wall to welcome the guests entering the house. So having this arch feature wall with LED lighting and also some display area for them. I wanted to bring in raw materials such as the laminate texture and also their bedroom to redo the carpentry, like wardrobe, all this. Knowing what are their wants and what are their needs for the place. So we will also work along with their needs first, or later in future, then we install the wants. By adding curved design element to incorporate into their whole house theme. So it's like to soften out the look. Knowing what client budget, work along with their overall house theme. So example, their kitchen area is a needs for them to do their home cooking because they mentioned that they want to do they does baking. So there's a dry pantry area, island area, as well as their enclosed kitchen area.